Check it out, 48-inch dry wells, 2 of them. Beautiful work. Right there. And then you just tape it up so you don't have it leak. Otherwise, that pipe would leak right there. You'd lose a lot of water right here. You don't want to have to get up on a ladder and deal with clogged elbows. That's how easy it is to get this to grade. Right there, you're looking at it. That's how easy it is. We're taking a roof runoff system to a dry well. Actually, we have 2 dry wells. They're 48 inches deep and they're 24 inches in diameter. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about building a dry well. We're going to tell you how to succeed by using a dry well. When you're especially draining a roof runoff system into a dry well, you have to filter out all the debris. You have to have a leaf filter. You have to catch all that big debris. You have to have a big inline catch basin to grab up all the shingle gravel. You can't fill the dry well up with trash. If you do that, it's not going to work. It's not going to work for you at all. As time goes on, your dry well would work less and less till one day it didn't work at all. So you have to maintain these lines and you have to build them correctly. We built this dry well in the north. We have a winter. We freeze. If we get 42 inches or deeper, we end up below the frost. So we built this 48 inches deep. Let's talk about all the different things that we had to do to build a fail-safe roof runoff system. Here's another look at a 3x4. You can see how it has the elbows up at the eave. A 2x3, the leaves get stuck right there, right in those bends. But when you go to a 3x4 downspout, the leaves will make it all the way down to your leaf filter. It'll work just like it's supposed to. You don't want to have to get up on a ladder and deal with clogged elbows. So that's why I'm encouraging everybody to go to a 3x4 downspout. It's not that much more money to go to a 3x4 downspout. And if your gutter guy tries to tell you that you have to go to the bigger gutter, well, then you need a new gutter guy, because these are the small gutters and they went ahead and they made them work. Beautiful gutter run. There used to be such a problem with water getting trapped right here. I'll show you what we're dealing with. For one, we're in the north. In Michigan, this freezes in the wintertime. You got a set of stairs here. It's just dangerous to have a downspout dump right there on the concrete. We're grabbing the water and we're routing it to a back. We got a dry well in the back. We got our 5-year sediment trap. We have 2 risers, 2 2-inch risers on this one. That's how easy it is to get this to grade. Right there, you're looking at it. That's how easy it is. Whenever you have a pipe that's a little lower and you can't get your drain basin to grade, that's because there's not a convenient, hassle-free riser. We have 2 2-inch risers to get this to grade. That's what that looks like. A 2-inch riser and a 2-inch riser. It's beautiful. Super easy. We ran this house downspout to the backyard because this yard is sand. We also ran the gutter downspout to the backyard. Absolutely beautiful. Right here, the strongest connection. We have the strongest corrugated external coupler on the market, right there. And then you just tape it up so you don't have it leak. Otherwise, that pipe would leak right there. You'd lose a lot of water right here. You want to get it away from all structures, all concrete. You can see they got the, check it out, 48-inch dry wells, 2 of them. Beautiful work. We're going to insulate them. We're going to put insulation on the cover since we're here in the north. And we got them 48 inches deep. So in this sand, that's going to take in water even in the winter. Beautiful job. Beautiful, beautiful job. We have 100% virgin pipe. It's 100% HDPE and it's extra heavy duty. We have the gutter downspout tied into this. It's wide in, not teed, it's wide. The guys just did a beautiful job. Well executed. Really, really nice. The key to having a great dry well is permeable soil. If you have permeable soil, you're going to have great success with a dry well. If you have non-permeable soil, you have to build a bigger field. You have to now build a leach field off your dry well. If this was all clay, we would have put a sump pump discharge system in instead of a dry well. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.